Hello everyone, I'm Nazarat Fatima and you're watching LiveLaw. In an earlier video dealing with adolescent love, we discussed what Justice Jasmeet Singh had to say about it. He was speaking in a seminar where he also talked about whether the notion that a minor's consent is not valid should be taken as it is in the cases of adolescent love as well. He said it is an important issue because at times there are couples where one partner is say 16 years old and the other is 18 years old. And in such cases, it is mostly different from abuse. He tried to draw a line between abuse and what can be perceived as adolescent love. Let's discuss a case which has its basis in the same issue. A girl who was 16 by her school records was found 7 weeks pregnant and medical termination of pregnancy was conducted. The DNA report confirmed that the boy, who was 19 years old, was the biological father of the child. The family of the girl lodged an FIR against the boy and relied upon the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. The Delhi High Court was dealing with a bail plea of a 19-year-old boy. The girl was also heard in the matter and she constantly told the court that she was 18 years old at the time of the incident. But her school record did not support her claim. She constantly said in her statement as well as the testimony recorded in the court that she had gone out with the boy out of her own free will as she had developed a liking for him. The court said that it cannot go into the question as to whether the girl was 16 or 18 years of age at the time of the incident. Justice Sharma said, and I quote, "This court notes that the prosecutrix has been consistent in her statement before the court and supports the man she loves, blissfully unaware that the law in this country does not support such love stories. The main character, that is the present accused, is not a criminal, but was merely in love and at the instance of his lady love, being unaware of the law, had taken her to a place which was 2,200 kilometers away from Delhi to lead a peaceful life." The court said that there is no criminal intent on part of the boy in this situation, and as such, although law believes that a minor's consent is invalid, the peculiar circumstances and facts of the case have to be taken care of, and it won't be prudent for a court to label the boy as an accused when there was no incriminating evidence against him on record. The court said that it is not laying down any law, but only notes with caution that in cases such as the present one, the courts are not dealing with the criminals but with two teenage individuals who wanted to live their life as they deemed fit, being in love. The law, of course, did not understand or know the bar of age of consent, as the lovers only knew that they have the right to love and lead a life as they thought fit for themselves. As such, Justice Sharma granted bail to the boy for 2 months from the date of his release, and the court also noted that the boy and the girl are getting married by the end of this month. It is very important to understand that the court said every such case cannot be dealt with in a similar way. The court said, and I quote, "This court, as a note of caution while granting bail in this case and making the above observations, clarifies that every case of such nature has to be adjudged on its own peculiar facts and circumstances, and the age being in shadow of doubt, as well as the consistency in the statement of the prosecutrix and lack of inducement or threat in such cases, has to be adjudicated on facts and circumstances of each case." The Delhi High Court also said that adolescent love cannot be controlled by courts, and judges have to be very careful while rejecting or granting bail in such cases, depending on facts and circumstances of each case. Justice Swarana Kanta Sharma said, and I quote, "Observing that teenagers who try to imitate romantic culture of films and novels remain unaware about the laws and age of consent." The court also noted that innocent teenage boys and girls suffer in jails in cases of teenage love, and such confinement in jail in these cases will cause distress and impact the psychological health of the accused. The court made such observations, but at the same time also clarified that all such cases should not be dealt with similarly, and rather the situations and circumstances in each case should be taken into consideration. That's all for today. We hope you like our content. If you do, please like and share. Also subscribe to LiveLaw and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.